loan officers, we gotta talk. I think you're leaving some money on the table, and I think that we could be helping clients a little bit more than we are. See, right now I see a lot of people squeaking their clients through with a 641 when a 640 was required, or a 583 when a 580 was required. And then after that, we say, congratulations, thanks for using me, come back to me for your next purchase or refinance. But we're not giving them the tools that they need to improve as a buyer. Okay? If you want those move up purchases, if you want people who are actually going to be eligible for refinances in the future, what we have to do is give them a roadmap to do that. And especially in the situations where people are qualifying for the lowest tier of FHA, right above that 580, that 622, that 643, whatever your minimum is, more than likely they could be a 700 plus borrower within the next 12 months as long as we give them the roadmap and the tools to do that. Now, with some of them, they need full credit repair. With some of them, they just need the resources that we provide on our website at mycreditguide.com under the video section. But one way or the other, you've got to create an aftercare program where we're transforming these borrowers, especially these first-time borrowers, into lifelong borrowers. And the only way that we can do that is if, again, we give them the knowledge that they don't have right now, because a 583 credit score obviously doesn't know how to be a 660 or a 680 or a 720. Otherwise, they would be. So, okay, all well and good. You got this one done. There's PMI associated with it. We won't get into that. But give these folks the ability to be move-up buyers or to refinance in the near future with you. And the way that that's gonna happen is if you give them this information. So let's get together, schedule an appointment with me, and let's come up with a great aftercare program where for the next couple of years, we give your clients the tools they need until they're ready to finance again with you.